Abusa Galamseyers omo Ghana ha omo gu Ghana asase so etu Galamsey yensuo mu especially ese yensuo ni ade ensase ni ade no. Omo tu atwi Blue Water Guide na His Excellency the President of form say omo no meko akotu Galamsey asembusia omo nya pon omo ho. No mo pon ni omo ho no. Omo send this strong warning to Galamsey for mu gunguram etu Galamsey say munyine mo pemo nkwa. Munwe ni mfiri nguram ho no nyese beto a Munhu ye aha Penyah block media message was ready mo obeda like video that one subscribe button no so na be click the notification icon of latest updates and be try wadwe da ma me e wo comment na so ba so a no share video mo so enya bi ahwe the issue of Galamsey e wo Ghana ha de as a bokofo na so mo sapes mo dey another problem be e ba nya sananka the issue of Galamsey Ghana ha abaye the albatross around our neck abaye adeso akese ayese for years we've been battling the issue of Galamsey in the October His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama Irene Akunyano a man who said what forming kofu be from the Blue Water Guard. Go back.
I know. Let me have
Me brother say hey let's say go for do me Jama boys you because go for mudina hoyi pa go for we mu omo hwan na etu oti abofre kura to a wonwane ora say go for mu mudina hoyi emu de ahin na ti abofre kura to a onwane e ma mo focus dey be Mahama so onye serious ni mri so betu Galamsey ase soldiers for kura ko ekun police for kura ko yetima camp police for Galamsey for nyagogodura chi police for camp mu e ma police for pa acho Jama boys
I know. Let me have
Jama boys na be dey e ma say e betwa wrabusia na say you tell okay you hwa dey because at least we shouldn't judge a book by its cover. Don't mind the body, mind the engine. It was an enra and Jama boys here the Blue Water Guide for you omo e complete here just a training dey mu come 3 months training dey ma omo no omo upon na so pon omo ho no is anije abafie at their graduation Anna Kofibu na Oye Minister for Lands and Resources no together with the Blue Water Guide that ya form we no send strong warning to Galamsey for muram to Galamsey saying so say munyina ye na Blue Water Guide Jama boys ye bengurum honmo don't mind the body mind the engine ye bengurum ho be tumu so sa
Ahua. Excuse me. One person sitting in right.
No, he's here.
Mining in our forest reserve and our pristine water bodies will be a deadly business, and as the army has emphasized, going forward, any attempt to mine gold in our forest reserve and our water bodies will be a deadly business, and we mean it. The Minister for Fisheries and Agriculture, the Western Regional Minister, the Deputy Defense Minister, colleague members of Parliament, I know the presence of Honorable Kuku Abisu, presence of Honorable Wisdom Kujo, Honorable Kofi Akunoku, the Chief of the Naval Staff, Rear Admiral Blessing, officers and men, distinguished generals and senior officers of the Ghana Armed Forces, officers and men of the Armed Forces, defense civilian staff, members of the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is with great honor that I stand before you today on behalf of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama to extend his warmest congratulations to you on successful completing your training. Please permit me to convey his regrets for being unable to join us here today due to an equally pressing national sermon. Today marks a new dawn in our relentless fight against illegal mining, activities that are plaguing our water bodies. The precision and discipline displayed during your drills are a testament to the rigorous training you have undergone at the Denver base, both here in the Zilimbo and the Sekendi, over the past 1 month under the supervision of the competent and experienced Naval Command. Commanders, thank you very much. You have been equipped with essential skills, physical endurance, basic arms handling, combat techniques, survival swimming, watermanship, and boat operation. Your perseverance is very commendable, and I invite everyone to join me in applauding your dedication. The knowledge and skills you have acquired are not merely for personal growth, but to arm you as vanguards in our national strategy to safeguard our rivers. And henceforth, you shall be known as the Blue Water Guards. Oh, you can clap for us. Water Guards! Water Guards! Water Guards! Wow. Again, you shall be known as the Blue Water Guards, a vital component of President Mahama's Blue Water Initiative, which formed part of his 120-day social contract with the people of Ghana. The selection of our recruits was strategically drawn from the riverine communities based on merit. To our recruits, your role is absolutely critical. You are the eyes, ears, and first line of defense, working alongside traditional leaders and local communities to protect our water bodies from the scourge of illegal mining. Your duty is to observe, report, and escalate threats to the Ghana Navy Reverend Command Centers expeditiously. Remember, you have assigned a code of conduct, a binding commitment to professionalism and integrity. Any breach of this code, any compromise in your duties will attract stiffer sanctions. And please make sure you know that at all times. You are to exhibit the highest levels of integrity on a daily basis. The task before you is sacred. The future of our water bodies depends on your discipline and vigilance. And I think it was put right. Ejimana yeda mo enko boa me yesu na ye. Enko dwen gang na enko jisika na enka mo ye nse yesu. Under the operational command of the Ghana Navy Riverine Units, the Blue Water Guards will serve as an early warning mechanism, reinforcing our surveillance and deterrence efforts. Temporary operating bases have been established along the Nkobra, Fia, Bonsa, and downstream Praia rivers to ensure rapid response. Through coordinated boat patrols, road surveillance, and intelligence sharing with other security agencies, we will maintain an unyielding presence to deter illegal activities. We will operate in teams strategically positioned along designated sectors for effective command and control. There will be daily situational reports, weekly summaries, and quarterly evaluations will be channeled through the Ghana Navy to the Minerals Commission and to the Ministry, ensuring accountability and continuous improvement. To strengthen this initiative, additional speedboats, patrol vessels, motorbikes are already on their way. We are already working on procuring all of this to support this very strategic effort by the Navy, enabling the extension of the Blue Water Guards program, which we plan to extend to the Central, Eastern, Ashanti, Bono, and Stafana regions. Beyond safeguarding our environment, this initiative will create 2,000 direct jobs, empowering Ghanaians while protecting our ecological heritage. The Blue Water Guard initiative is just one pillar of a broader, comprehensive strategy to reform Ghana's mining sector. We recognize that small-scale mining contributes significantly to our economy. In 2024 alone, Ghana generated $4.6 billion from the small-scale mining through gold exports. This demonstrates the immense potential of this sector. Our goal is to see diligent miners grow into medium-scale operators and eventually become large-scale miners. But the caveat is to guide them to mine responsibly and sustainably. That means that mining in our forest reserve and our pristine water bodies will be a deadly business, and as the army has emphasized, going forward, any attempt to mine gold in our forest reserve and our water bodies will be a deadly business, and we mean it. To achieve this, we will identify and reward excellence. We are talking about a program of excellent mining. Special program is being established to provide phase support, technical training, access to financing, and advanced equipment to small-scale miners who will adhere to sustainable practices to expand their operations responsibly and legally. More importantly, we are equipping institutions like the Ghana Geological Survey Authority with state-of-the-art technology to identify and map mineral-rich zones. This will guide miners towards viable, non-sensitive legal concessions and away from our water bodies and our forest reserves. By integrating these miners into cooperative mining schemes, we will create a win-win solution, boosting livelihoods while preserving our environment. To every Ghanaian listening, you have an important role to play in this renewed fight against Galamseyers. Become a water guard volunteer in your community. And we believe we started something so fundamentally that will change our landscape in all the rivering communities. These young men here are coming to your communities, and they are bringing you the hope and the training. And they are coming to the chief palace. They are meeting the youth. They are meeting community leaders. That we together must form the water guard volunteers in our communities, to guard our communities, to guard the water bodies, to guard and protect the life of our children. And we believe that every Ghanaian in all our river areas will support the river guards and give them rousing welcome in doing this work. Hey! Let us move forward with resolve, unity, and an unshakable commitment to preserving Ghana for future generations. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make it great and strong. I thank you.
Galabeko, boya de, oya ya Galabeko.
Hey, hello. Yo, Bar, yo. Let me have a.
Galabeko. You trust the blue water guide. What I say? Jama boys, you trust you. I'm on for just saying go for him party. Oh, him dress in the class, filling station attendant. Yeah. But what I say, we shouldn't mind the body, let's mind the engine. Oh, bet me, me omo so bet me ko tu Galamsey for na say no nkwa ko sie ni adwom so nkonem. What I say, yan twan, ne hwe de ebesie. Chere wadwe ma me e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Blog Media.